Introducing Go Flag Yourself, a fast-paced two-player combat game where each player fights to bring the flag to their end of the map. Each game begins with both players in the center, ready to make a run for the flag. When the game starts, the first player to the flag, red, picks it up and starts running to their base at the right end of the map, while blue tries to kill him to take the flag. Each player has many attacks to kill the other and defend, or take the flag for themselves. You also need to watch out. Each map has traps that can kill you as well. Every game can turn around super quickly. Blue has now made it to his home base and has won this game. Woo! Go Blue! I think red is ready for a rematch to make it back to 1-1. So on to the next game. The game also features a single player mode against a computer player if you don't have a pal to play with. Each game can be played on any of the 5 maps, including Desert features many gaps where the players can fall through. Golden Forest is the map we were looking at before, where it's always sunset. Pirate Cove features moving razor blades in a seaside setting with plenty of treasure. In Icetown, you can fall into deadly icy water. And the final map, Dungeon, is a cave full of deadly traps such as swinging axes. But with this fast-paced game with many comeback opportunities, you'll have many chances to tell your opponent to go flag yourself.